Their girlfriends or their engineers or mechanics to ride at what was usually called windwalkers. Here we go, once again, ladies and gentlemen, to the cross pass in six-pack formation. Give you an idea what that little old G means. The force of gravity, if you weigh 10 stone, as long as you are pulling, for example, 3G, if you were sitting in an aircraft pulling 3G, you would weigh 30 stone. If you weigh on there 10 stone and you pull 60, you would weigh, your body, your car on the seat, would be 60 stone. Okay, once again. Right on down center point. There are two the end of last year they were at LA, United Arab Emirates, and then this year in January in Bahrain, in the Gulf, and again in March 2014 in Kuwait. So they've called all over the world, in Australia, in China. Once again, the clock pass upside down, right centre. Been going on for about 25 years. I led the scene in its first year when Vic Norman started in 1990. And since then they've expanded and expanded and in fact have pretty much 2 or 3 teams running at the same time. So we're very lucky to have them here at Blackpool today now. And what we're going to see here again is an opposition. From the logos, the official suppliers of the aviation world, and watching the courses tightly. They always had a very strong aviation heritage, supplying both instruments for professionals and watches, of course, most famously. Of course, precision timing is a very important part of the straight line. So now they're climbing up, and one of their signature maneuvers, I wonder what they're going to do. Are they going to do it? Are they going to do it? I'm going to tell you what it is. Are they going to do it? Let's see what's going to happen. And they're diving now. Okay, this is a corkscrew, ladies and gentlemen. Back to back barrel roll. Look at this. Oh my goodness me. Look at that barrel roll. Back to back. Upside down. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Once again, then, that's classic lovely orange and white colours. Very good smoke systems, of course. Big smoke tank being injected into quarter-inch nipples in the exhaust stack. So you've got plenty of volume of smoke, as you can see, having practically put the whole side eye apart. So they're going to turn now, and again, every time they come around they're going to do something different. So out of those 24 manoeuvres, I don't know what they're going to choose. It's particular to the conditions of the day. So they're in line at stern, so let's have a look. So, now, what have we got here? There's something going on. What are they doing? Oh, I don't believe it! They've climbed off the roof! Ladies and gentlemen, look! Those little girls are sitting with their tiny little tootsies just inches from the roof. I don't believe they climbed down the roof and onto the top of the roof, sitting there with their feet down. Yeah, do not try this at home. Ah, that's amazing. And their little to eat from that massive propeller. And it is a big metal slug of a propeller. Wow. Well, what are we going to top that with? Let's have a look. I'm losing them so